Good evening, students, and welcome to our spelling word sort lesson for tonight. Let's begin by reading our instructions. Write each basic word beside the correct heading. Well, it says we are using the OU spelled OU or OW. So we've got a couple of different basic words that we could use. So we're looking for anything that has the OU or OW. So if we look, we can see ounce has the OU. We have pounce that is spelled with the OU. And we have encounter, if we keep going, that is spelled with the OU. And then we have coward, which is spelled with the OW, and scowl, SCOWL, which is spelled with the OW. So we can add any of those words into there. Now, possible selection words. Would be words that we could come up with, such as sound, allowed, house, or even proudly, down, and even gown. Okay. Now let's look at the next one, which is our spelled AW, AU, or A. So let's take a word, look over at the side, and let's see what we can come up with each. So our basic words doing that would be sprawl. We could also have awkward. See that one? Awkward. We could also have launch, which is spelled the AU, but still the ah sound. We have haunt, which is AU, but the ah sound. We have saucer, AU. We have August, and we have auction, and we have basketball, because it is got the ah sound, but it is spelled with just the A in the ball. So basketball. Now we could look at some challenge words. Some of our challenge words that do the same, spelled AU, AW, or A, would be exhaust, exhaust. And then we could also do assault, or alternate, because it has simply the A sound at the beginning. So the next one that you're going to be doing is other spellings for ah. Other spellings that we have, and there's only going to be one. There is only going to be one. So you need to go through your list of spelling words on this side. Find one that has the ah sound but does not match the AW, AU, or A criteria. And like I said, there's only going to be one basic word and one possible selection word. We'll go ahead and do that one. That's going to be thought. 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 Okay, I'm going to leave the bottom for you to do the oi sound, or the oi spelled oi, OY, or OI, and you're going to pull those out. Do not worry about doing the bottom. Let's go ahead and mark that out. And let's take a look at our grammar lesson for tonight. So we're looking at collective nouns. So we've done our plural nouns, we've done more plural nouns, so now we're going to be looking at collective nouns. And a collective noun names a group of people, animals, or things that act as a unit. Treat a collective noun like a singular noun unless it names more than one group. So for example, a singular collective noun, our class, which is a group of people, it's a group of students, but they act as one unit. So our class planned a celebration. Now you can have a plural collective noun, which is like all grade 5 classes are invited. So now we're going to be down here. It says to underline the collective noun in each sentence. Write whether each collective noun is singular or plural. And if you've noticed, they added the ES to the end of our singular collective noun to make it a plural collective noun. So it's kind of one of the things that you can take a look at. So let's look at number 1. The teacher chose Alyssa for the spelling team. Now we know that teacher is an individual person for the spelling team. And team, if any of you have ever played soccer or if anybody's ever played, basketball, your team is a collective group of people. So in this instant, it says to underline the collective noun, so we'll underline team and then write whether it's singular or plural. Well, this spelling team only names one team, so we know that's going to be singular. Now, let's look at the next one. It says, Alyssa's family was happy when she won a spelling bee. Well, we know that family is composed of more than one person. It's usually like your mother, your father, your brothers, your sisters, so that's usually more than one person. So that is a group of people that act as a unit. So our collective noun in sentence 2 would be family. And we know that since we have the consonant and the Y, we know that this is going to be singular. Because if it were plural, it would be Lies. So we've got family is singular. Right? Now let's look at the next one. It says, Jose spoke to a school audience about the traditions of Guatemala. So we know with audience, that is a group of people that have come together to either watch a speech or a play or a performance of some kind. So since it is a group of people that act as a unit, that is going to be our collective noun. And we see that we do not have an S or an ES at the end of audience, so we know that it is going to be singular. Alright guys, I'm going to let you take care of 4, 5, and 6 on your own. Remember, this packet is due on Friday, this coming Friday. So make sure that you're keeping up with it every night. Alright, I'll see you in class tomorrow. Thank you.